Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Lola and I make content about fashion and sneakers. And for today's video, we're going to be talking about the steps that you guys should be taking when you buy pre-owned clothes and sneakers. Let's get into it. Alrighty, so quick disclaimer before we even get into the video. I do want to let you guys know that I am a little bit of a germaphobe, so some of these steps might be a little excessive. I'm just sharing this with you guys just so that you guys can think about the things that you probably never thought of before and you just didn't know how to go about it. So the first step that I do when I get a package with either pre-owned items in it is open the package outside. The reason why I do that is because I'm afraid of all things bug related and anything of that nature. And I'm telling you, like, my biggest fear is opening a package and having a roach come out. Like, you don't know where these sneakers are coming from. You don't know where the clothes are coming from. So like, just saving yourself from like having to deal with like all of that stuff is literally the best thing you can do. So the next step that I do is actually leave the sneakers outside for an hour or two. The reason why I do that is because I want them to air out. If there is anything in there, it'll give it time to crawl out. And if there is a scent that you're not too fond of, there's another way to air that out before you actually start cleaning the sneakers. So with that being said, let's hop into the cleaning portion of the video. I have my Rosas, and honestly, when I did get these, I did clean them, but I'm just using these as an example to show you guys what I would do if I got a pair of pre-owned sneakers that weren't really too fresh. So starting off, the first thing that I would do, like I do in all my other cleaning videos, is put on a pair of gloves. And so the first thing that I would do is take the insole out. The one thing that you should do is unlace your laces or unlace the shoe. This will allow you to get to the toe box area way easier than it would if they were laced. So now that we have the insole taken out and the shoe unlaced, we are going to get into actually cleaning the sneaker. So for my advice, like I said, toe fungus is a thing. We are going to wash the insole and then we are going to wash the entire inside of the sneaker. And yeah, let's get right into that. So to get started, some of the things that I will be using today is, of course, water. I'll be using baking soda, a little bit of laundry detergent, and my Rejuvenator cleaning kit, as well as a super cheap toothbrush. So just making my solution, I put a little bit of the laundry detergent. I put a little bit of baking soda, not a lot, but enough to help deodorize it. And then I add a little bit of the Rejuvenator solution. And you can add vinegar to this if you'd like, so that you can have like a natural disinfectant. Again, I'm not about to drag it and I don't have vinegar right now. And these aren't my shoes, so yeah. If you'd like to add some of a little bit of a disinfectant, vinegar is a good thing to add. Just a little bit so that you don't have that smell left behind. So starting off, we're gonna start the insole. I'm going to use my medium brush from Rejuvenator. Get that in there, and we're gonna just start to go at it. All right, so that was the first pass, and then we're gonna go one more time. Dip the brush, go, and open. Okay, so that is the insole. I'll let that sit a little bit with all of the stuff on it. So now the trickier part is cleaning the actual inside of the shoe. One thing that I want to focus on, or that I would typically focus on, is the toe box area, because like I said, yes, toe fungus is a fear of mine, but you do want to get the back parts as well. Alright, and so now once we do that, I like to just let it sit for a little bit. It might not be doing anything, but I don't know. I like to let it sit. In the meantime, I'm going to replace all that with just regular clean water. And we are going to do a pass of just clean water on both the insole and the inside of the shoe. Okay, so starting off with the insole, clean water. this is what the insole is now looking like, and I am actually super happy with it. Now we are going to move on with rinsing the inside of the shoe. I'm going to reiterate, you don't want to drench the shoe because, like I said, mold is a thing. So we are just going to do light passes, just like how we did on the insole, with the clean water. Alrighty, so now we have finished washing the inside of the sneaker, and now it is ready to air dry. So I'm going to let this air dry for however long as it takes for it to dry, and then I will come back showing you guys the finished results and compare it to the other foot. All right, so we are back and my sneakers have dried, and I'm ready to show you guys the results. So for the insole, now don't judge me. Don't judge me because these are older sneakers, so they're not gonna be pristine. Like, I've had them for a couple pretty long time. And so this is what the insole looked like before. You know, it's kind of gross, right? Yeah. And this is what it looked like after. So you can clearly see a big difference in the both of them. This one's clearly clean and it smells super good. This one doesn't smell bad, but it is dirty. So yeah. Now for the inside of the shoe, these weren't too drastic of a difference. So this one is very clean. I did get rid of that makeup stain that was here before, so that's awesome. It still is a little damp, so I'm gonna let it sit outside for maybe a couple more hours after the video. But basically, just to give you guys a comparison, this is what it looked like. Like I said, like the inside of the shoe wasn't too bad because they were mine. But yeah, you guys can definitely see a huge difference with the insole. So I'm actually going to watch the other one after this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys learned something new and you like these type of videos. And yeah, as you all know, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.